In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an animation in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva account, and you will either end up on the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, from wherever you are, locate the left-hand navigation of menu options and click on projects. When you do this, Canva will present you with all of the projects that you are currently working on. And what you would like to do next is select the specific project with the animation that you would like to remove. And when you click on it, Canva will open the project in a new window inside of Canva's design editor. So once you're inside the design editor, you need to click on the specific text or image or shape or element that is moving. And once you do that, a toolbar of options will appear above the animation. And inside of this toolbar, you want to click on animate. Once you do that, you will see an animate side peak appear on the left-hand side of your editor page. And what you want to do next is simply just locate the remove animation button and click on this button. And now if you look back over to the top row of options, the animate button is no longer colored, which means that your animation has been removed. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if there is anywhere where you found yourself struggling or found yourself with questions, or if there's anything that you think that I may have missed, please feel free to leave any of those queries or questions in the comments section below, and I will respond to those as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.